The best carry-on luggage,
The only one of
well-made,
its kind,
abrasion-resistant,
it allows you to
and
pack up to
thoughtfully designed,
34%
can help
more
make traveling
and
feel
compress the
breezy
bag
and
down
manageable.
to original size.
Alongside checked
To
luggage,
engage
underseat
CX,
luggage,
simply
and
pull the
travel
release
backpacks,
hinge outward
carry-on
while
luggage
lifting
should
the
strike
top
just
and
the right
bottom
balance
frames of the
size,
suitcase.
value, maneuverability,
You'll notice
and
the
durability.
sides of the bag stay
Unfortunately,
firmly raised,
most people don't
allowing
have
you
the
to
time to shop
effortlessly
around
pack
for the
to the
perfect
brim.
carry-on bag.
Once you're done
Fortunately,
packing,
your
close
curious
the
friends
lid
at
and
Review
zip
do.
the bag shut.
Whether you
Then,
prefer to
press
travel
down on
light
both
or
sides
insist
of the
upon
suitcase
bringing
to
every
compress
scrap
down
of
to
clothing you own
original
on your next
size.
adventure, we've got the best
Thoughtful
carry-on
innovation,
luggage highlighted in
backed
this
by our
luggage review
100%
at different
lifetime
price
warranty,
points.
is why the
Here are the
baseline
best
collection
luggage
sets the
brands to buy
standard
from,
by which
and the
all
best
other
bags
luggage
for
is
carrying
measured.
all of your belongings with you.
Engineered for reality. Guaranteed.
Number 1. Travel Pro Crew VersaPack Soft Side Expandable Carry-On Luggage. The Travel Pro Crew VersaPack Global Carry-On Expandable Carry-On Luggage is a 4-wheeled spinner that features a sturdy internal frame wrapped in a tough fabric shell. The VersaPack Global Carry-On slightly padded lid offers 3 pockets, accessible from the outside of the bag. These are great for keeping items that you might need to show airport security, including a laptop, and for other items you want close at hand. However, putting too much into these compartments could prevent this carry-on from fitting into an airport sizing device. Travel Pro has equipped this bag with an external luggage tag compartment and an external side pocket designed to hold a portable power pack. We were disappointed, given the cost of some USB power packs, that this pocket cannot be locked. In fact, only the bag's main compartment and the lid's largest exterior pocket boast zippers designed to be locked together. The VersaPack Global Carry-On's 38-liter main compartment is divided into 2 sections by a removable zip-in garment organizer, a flat section of the bag that has room to expand a few inches. The bag also has compression flaps to help you fit in more clothes. Number 2. Briggs & Riley Baseline Soft Side Carry-On Luggage. The Briggs & Riley Domestic Carry-On offers plenty of packing space, 35.4 liters and up to 46.4 when expanded. This, along with its durable construction featuring a hybrid fiberglass frame, reinforced corners, and a 1680D ballistic nylon fabric exterior, make it a great luggage option for frequent travelers. This suitcase rolls smoothly and includes a 3-height retractable handle hardware system that is placed almost entirely on the outside of the bag, which ensures that it doesn't take up valuable packing space. The main compartment includes 2 nearly full-length zippered pockets and compression straps to help you fit more into the suitcase. It also includes a suitor bar, designed to help keep garments wrinkle-free. You can even expand the thickness of the bag from 9 inches to 11.5 inches if you end up buying new items on your trip. Should you take advantage of this expandability, don't be surprised if the suitcase no longer fits into an airport sizer. All of these features also make this suitcase a bit heavy. Number 3. Samsonite Scurry Spinner, Small. This durable carry-on from Samsonite is sure to deliver peace of mind for those who travel often. Equipped with a TSA lock, this zipperless option instead utilizes 3 latches to keep your belongings safe. While this may feel more secure for some, reviews do mention that this may add some annoyance if you need to get inside your bag often, so keep this in mind when you're choosing a carry-on. Amazon reviews rave about the smooth roll of this bag and the fact that it's nice and light, making for an easy carry. 360 spinner wheels. This lightweight line offers heavyweight protection riding on effortless 360-degree spinner wheels. All you need to do is push your case along and the wheels do the rest. Whether you are checking into the flight or your hotel, it is super easy with spinner wheels. Number 4. Samsonite Hand Luggage. Meet your ideal travel companion, the Samsonite Hand Luggage. Designed for convenience and durability, this dark blue suitcase boasts a generous 34-liter capacity, ensuring you have ample space for all your essentials. Sized perfectly at 55 by 40 by 20 cm, it fits seamlessly within airline cabin restrictions, eliminating any boarding hassles. Crafted by Samsonite, a brand synonymous with quality and reliability, this suitcase is built to withstand the rigors of travel. Its sleek design not only looks great but also offers practicality and ease of use. Whether you're jetting off for a business trip or embarking on a weekend adventure, trust in the Samsonite Hand Luggage to keep your belongings safe and organized. Elevate your travel experience with this stylish and functional suitcase. Your journeys will never be the same. Number 5. Cool Life YD71 3-piece luggage set. With a variety of colors to choose from, you'll be sure to find your perfect pack with this 3-piece nested luggage set from Cool Life. According to Amazon reviews, these suitcases are lightweight enough that you won't have to work too hard to get it into an overhead compartment, but still sturdy enough that most people don't encounter quality issues. That being said, when issues arise or damaged products are delivered, the company is quick to resolve the problem with replacements or refunds. Reviews also report smooth wheels that make this luggage set easy to maneuver. Overall, we see this set as a great quality carry-on option for the price. Despite the fact that only the largest size suitcase is expandable, we think it's worth checking them out before your next adventure.